How to delete DeepSeek AI account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to delete DeepSeek AI account, the process is very simple. All you want to do is open the DeepSeek app on your device. Now tap on the lines at the top left corner of your screen, then tap on your email address. Now, here you will find different options. At the bottom, you have two options. The first one is delete all chats and the second one is delete account. If you only want to delete your chats, tap on the first option. If you want to delete your DeepSeek AI account, tap on the delete account option. Here it says that deleting your account will forfeit any unused balance and block access to all DeepSeek services. Go ahead and tap on the delete option. As soon as you do that, as you can see, your DeepSeek account has been deleted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.